morning, Mr. Caballero.
Today we're about to talk about animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell. Firstly, we start at the center of a cell, which is the nucleus. The nucleus is a spherical body containing many organelles, including many controls function of the cell and contains DNA. The nucleus, an organelle within the nucleus, and nuclear envelope encloses the nucleus itself.
Ribosome. Particles that carry out protein synthesis.
The chromatin diffuses the cell DNA and the proteins.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Studded with ribosomes that synthesize proteins.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosome but carries out protein synthesis.
Plasma membrane. Surrounds cytoplasm and regulates entrance and exit of molecules.
Centrioles are small microtubules of a cell without a specific function for it.
This is the cell coat, which is also called cell membrane. Cytoplasm. Semi-fluid matrix outside nucleus that contains organelles.
Golgi bodies are a flattened layer-like organelle that looks like a stack of pancake and is located near the nucleus.
Mitochondrion. Organelles carries out cellular respiration, producing ATP molecules.
Lately, I've been losing sleep.
Parts of the plant cell. This is the cell wall. This is the central vacuole. Central vacuole is a large fluid-filled sac that stores metabolites and helps maintain larger pressure.
Chloroplast provides the chlorophyll for a plant cell.
Mitochondrion. Organelle that carries out cellular respiration, producing ATP molecules.
Plasmodesmata or plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that regulates entry inside or out the cell.
Golgi apparatus. Processes, packages, and secretes modified cell products.
Lysosome is a digestive enzyme that serves as a suicide valve for a cell.
Ribosome. Carries out protein synthesis.
Nuclear envelope encloses the nucleus or the cell.
This is the nucleus. Nucleolus. Produces subunits of ribosomes.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a reticulum that doesn't lack of ribosomes.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes, synthesizes lipid molecules.
And lastly, cytoplasm is the cell matrix of the cell. Provides enough pressure for the cell organelles to stay together.
I can be tough, I can be strong.
After discussing the parts of a plant cell and animal cell, we'll now emphasize their difference based on the cell parts. Animal cell does not have cell wall, therefore it has irregular shape, while a plant cell does have a regular shape. Animal cells does not also have a chloroplast or chlorophyll, while plant cell does need one. Animal cells does not have vacuoles, while plant cells have large vacuoles for storage. Animal cells does not have starch grains, and their nucleus is located centrally, while for plant cells, their nucleus is scattered for their use. Thank you.
Baby squirrel, use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby.